Hello everyone, the Chart Guys have been working on an introductory technical analysis course for quite some time now, and after surveying hundreds of traders with what would be the most sought after information regarding technical analysis, we came up with this course, When to Enter and Exit. It covers over 5 hours of the basics on when to enter and exit, and we feel after watching this course it will help build a foundation of technical analysis knowledge which will eliminate a lot of the uncertainty in the world of trading stocks. So the course outline, we go over the psychology of trading, establishing a game plan, the different indicators we use to signal a bullish and bearish entry, how to recognize support and resistance levels, poor entries, where traders make mistakes, exit targets, how do you know where to sell your trade, where to place stop losses, that's very important, minimizing losses is what keeps you in the game long term, my personal preparations, how I go about getting ready for each trading day, and then piecing it all together, utilizing all the information we just learned and how to apply that in the real world for making successful, profitable trades. As a bonus, we also include a lot of information on finding entries and exits utilizing patterns, and you can find these patterns on every time frame on pretty much any stock and commodity trading, and certainly being able to recognize those patterns can give you an edge as well. So we hope you will check this out. Again, it's an introductory level course. So if you are new to technical analysis and trying to get a firm grasp on things and feeling a little bit overwhelmed, then this course is for you. I hope you check it out. Appreciate you watching.
Checking Apple on the daily and weekly time frame. Well aware the mic sounds different, using a backup for the short term. So Apple did not give the bearish signal. We did not confirm the bearish reversal inverted hammer. We are still forming higher lows on the daily time frame. This now makes 11 days in a row, and those support levels are 116.78 and then the low of yesterday 116.68. So it is an inside candlestick on the daily time frame to be watching tomorrow. If we get a break of that 116.78 level, we will be looking for further pullback down towards 115.75. So definitely keeping an eye out for normal healthy consolidation. Apple bulls definitely are holding on strong, and they stand out with their increase in bull volume. We saw decreasing volume across the market today. Not the case for Apple on another green day. The weekly time frame looks great for the bulls, higher lows and higher highs since the bounce started, and we're looking up at 118.08, the highest price that we have seen, and we came within 58 cents of that level so far this week. So even if we do consolidate, we have plenty of moving average support, and we do anticipate the bulls to continue to hit higher lows and to break that 118.08 level. The question will be, can we break it before the end of the year, or do we need to consolidate a bit and cool off before heading to that resistance level? So looking at the 5-minute time frame for Apple, we had a huge bull candlestick right out of the gate and then gave it all back in the next 10 minutes and pretty much just found an equilibrium after all that volatility as things settled down. So a lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, a bull break, and we started to see some higher highs, and then some bearish news hit. We had a bear attack, and the bulls absolutely ate that up. The low of the day was 116.78, and we bounced off of 116.82. 116.82 was also this low here. So previous support acting as support again, and a lot of shorts got trapped on this move in my opinion because it was a clear dump and everybody thinks it's bad news. Apple's getting sued, and you can see the bulls clearly bought that dip big time, and then here we go running to a new high of the day. So definitely squeezed some shorts there, and by the end of the day we pulled back. The market had a lot of weakness, and Apple did not see as much weakness as the market did. We held the 100 and 200 period moving average time and time again and closed holding up pretty well on the daily time frame. The hourly 20 period moving average held the lows yesterday, and they held the lows today. We have not closed below that level in the past couple of days, and we look at the 5-day chart, and we have seen a little bit of play back and forth, but it's generally a good guideline to be looking at. And if we do lose that 20 period hourly, we will look to break the higher low pattern on the daily time frame, favoring the bears and favoring short-term consolidation. So I definitely would not be looking for a bullish entry on Apple at this point. And I'm certainly still bullish on Apple overall. It just needs to consolidate. It's just too much too soon on the daily time frame that we've been seeing over the past 3 weeks. So we're patiently waiting for that consolidation, and we'll see how significant it is once we do get it. I appreciate you watching, and we'll check back in tomorrow.